The Food Service Exchange presents
Ryan Witteveen from Strode's Barbecue and Deli, also known as Big Sid on the barbecue circuit. I do a lot of barbecuing, a lot of catering, everything in and around the city, Brant County, GTA area. When you cook as much as we do with the barbecue, it's definitely a passion. Our catering division is incredible. We actually are the only ones that go 365 days a year if we have to. Even in cold weather, the heat is so consistent and the product comes off just incredible. What we like most about the Verity is you've got a 4-burner system on either side, so you've got 8 individual settings you can use, whether you're using a high heat, a medium heat, or a low heat. But if you want different temperatures and different heats, or say for example, if you're doing things like shish kebabs and stuff that need a lower heat, a longer period of time than a steak or whatever, you can adjust it very well, and the heat control is absolutely incredible on this. The initial investment is nothing compared to the dollars and cents you're going to make off of that grill. The Verity helps me get from A to B, instant heat, and it makes me a lot of money because I don't have to spend my time going out ahead, warming things up, taking time. We turn that grill on, and then all of a sudden we got instant heat, we're cooking right away. So it cuts down our travel time as well. We don't have to be there as well in advance, and time is money. When you're done cooking, you get back to the shop. We use a high-pressure soap rinse and then a nice hot water rinse after. Cleanup time is a matter of 10-15 minutes on a grill like that, and if you invest in that 10-15 minutes every time you come home, it's incredible how long this grill will last you. What we're talking about is a well-built piece of equipment that is built to last, is built to give you the quality, and does the job every time.